So today we are going to start the chapter heat, and this is an important chapter of physics. It is very important for those who are studying in CBSE class 7. So let us first visualize heat. So there are two pictures, picture number 1, picture number 2. In the first picture you can see if wood is being burnt, or we can say it is very hot. In other words, the wood is being heated. So today we are just going to discuss about this word heated. So first of all, let us know the definition of heat. So heat is a form of energy which is experienced due to a temperature difference. So if there are two bodies like this and they are kept in thermal contact, then heat will fall from this to this, and so heat flows from a body of high temperature to body of low temperature. For example, sun surface is a very hot surface, or in other words, it has very heat. So now we will be knowing about thermal expansion. An increase in the size of a substance when it is heated is called thermal expansion. For example, when you heat a rod like this rod, then it becomes larger in size. Let the usual size be like here. So this much is the increased size, and this is called the thermal expansion. Thermal means heat. Thermal means heat. So now we will be knowing about temperature. So temperature is the quantity that tells us how hot or cold is something. So it tells us about the degree of hotness or coldness of an body, degree. For example, you can say that today's temperature is 20 degrees Celsius. It means that it is expressed by a number on a scale. Scale means nothing but a unit. So now we will be knowing about heat transfer. The process how heat is being transferred between any two bodies is called heat transfer. So there are basically 3 modes of heat transfer. So now we will be knowing about the 3 modes of heat transfer and know how they are occurring. The differences between the 3 modes of heat transfer. So it is all about heat transfer. First one is conduction, convection, radiation. So conduction is the direct flow of heat through a material resulting from physical contact. For example, if you keep a burner near a iron rod, then the full iron rod becomes hot because the molecules transfer the heat energy, and this process is called conduction. It is due to physical contact. The heat transfer between a fluid and adjacent another fluid. For example, fluid are the liquid and gases, and it is transferred by the movement of molecules. Molecules means the particles of matter move. For example, if they were here, then they will move to another place, let's say here, to transfer heat. So transformation of heat occurs like this. So now third one is radiation. It is by the electromagnetic radiation. No transfer medium is liquid. For example, the sun, here is the sun, and let the earth be here. So it comes to the earth in the form of waves, and this mode of heat transfer is called radiation. No medium. Medium means in the way it is transferred, which transfer is called medium. It is not required in radiation but required in convection and conduction. It's the transfer of thermal energy through matter of space by electromagnetic waves. So with this, we have finished our topic, and this was all about heat. So today we have discussed many things about heat, and in this way we have completed the chapter. Thank you for your patient hearing.